Hey, what's up, man?
Not much, not much.
You got an idea or something?
Yeah, I had an idea. You know Jerry?
Yeah.
I owe him a lot of money.
I know. Okay.
Yeah. I need to get the money fast. He's really
Okay.
mad.
Okay.
I have an idea. You ever seen Reservoir Dogs?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah? We're gonna rob a gas station.
You want me to help you do that?
Yes. You're gonna help me do that.
What?
I'll give you
What did I? What? What?
Because I need help.
Why? Why do you need my help to do it?
Because who else am I gonna ask? You think Sid would say yeah?
No.
Exactly.
Man, I mean, Jesus, what do I get out of it?
I'll give you some of the money.
When do you
Bragging
think?
rights.
When do you think?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
Yes, we're gonna plan this tonight and then go tomorrow.
Jesus. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Come on, man.
I don't know.
I really need your help here. I can't do it without you.
Do I have to use my car?
Probably.
Okay. Screw it. Why not? I guess.
That's what I thought. Can I help you? Give me all the money in the register. Everything went wrong. Seatbelt won't work.